Welcome back to the next video. So this one, we're just going to be talking about some golden rules of investment, especially when trading options or even shares. It's just a good rule to kind of just keep in the back of your mind. So some golden rules of investing. So the main thing is try to only invest 10% of your entire portfolio in each option trade or each trade if it's with shares. So example, if you have a portfolio of $1,000, you don't want to put all $1,000 into that one trade. Rather, you want to take that 10%, which would be about $100, and you want to put that into the trade. And so the reason for that is because say the trade goes against you, you don't lose your entire portfolio on just that one trade. So if that trade did go against you, you still have 90% left in your portfolio. So then you still have another 9 times to get that right. And so when you do have a winning trade, your profits should offset your losses. So now what you want to do is after you take that 10%, you want to divide that into four equal parts to help you scale in for better cost average. So for example, if you have $1,000 and you want to trade, so you're going to take $100. So you want to divide that 100 into four. So roughly that's about $25 to use four times into the trade. Because if you buy an option, say at $25, and the stock goes down, so your option is going to go down as well. So now you could buy the second one at $20. But now the stock continues going down and you pay that third one for $15. So, but now the stock turns around and it goes up, and your fourth one, you pay $30. So you pay the fourth one, you pay the most. But even though you paid the most, your cost average is roughly $22.50 instead of putting all four into that $25. So now when the stock goes up, your gains will be a little bit more because you average down your cost rather than just sticking it out at 25. And so as the trade went down, you would be losing money, but at least here you could average in. So that's why it's good to take 1/4 of your 10% and then slowly scale in. And we'll get into charting and ways to kind of see when is a good time to actually scale in future videos.